Hello to all my SEO agencies out there. I think this is a really cool campaign for cold email to help you reach more prospects, where you basically create a personalized video, but it's totally automated, where you're recording over their SpyFu page. The SpyFu pages are all public, which means that you can use them behind you in Sendspark videos. And then actually, it's a pre-recorded video, but like specifically mention keywords that they're ranked for, their competitors are ranked for, or low-hanging fruit. And you can set this up as a template, upload a list of contacts, and then generate hundreds of personalized videos at once. And when you're sending this, right, it's so personalized. Like, the prospect sees like their website and their keywords. So the way that this would work in Sendspark is, you have the campaign here, and then what you do is you record one video that's a little bit generic, right? Where you're like, hey there, I did some digging in organic traffic. You can kind of read the script I have here. And then you can add variables for like first name or company name, or even certain keywords. You can use a custom field. I didn't bother in this case, but you totally could, and it would be awesome. But you can generate this, and then you can use this dynamic background to make sure that the SpyFu page for that prospect is going to appear in the video. And then you'd customize your landing page. So when you send this out, people can watch your video, they'll see your logo and colors here, and then they can book a meeting on your page. We integrate with a bunch of calendar platforms here, so you can see all the options. And then when you add contacts, what you just want to do is add the right, first name for the person you're reaching out to, of course, their email, company name, custom fields. And then here you would import the SpyFu URL. And you can get this pretty easily. There's a format for it. So this is my list. And you can see the way this is it's set up. So it's basically this spyfu.com/overview domain query equals, and then it's just the website .com. So if you have a list of 100 people, you could easily add that and just use the same formula to get these pages. And then what you would do is, upload this list into Sendspark. So I can upload this and just map in the field. So like first name, email, etc. And just make sure for the background URL here, you are using that SpyFu URL. What I click? So yeah, just make sure that you're using the SpyFu URL. You can import and map. And then what you would do, I left a space here, is just click to generate the videos. I already did that, so I'll just save and close, and I can play a few for you. But here's an example.
Hey, Alina, I did some light digging into your organic traffic, and you can see that I'm on the SpyFu overview of Chili Piper's page now. And we can see
and the rest of the video is just normal, but here's the same video for a different person.
Hey, Jen, I did some light digging into your organic traffic, and you can see that I'm on the SpyFu overview of Go Nimbly's page now. And
so, you have all of these videos are personalized, with those SpyFu pages and that first name and company name. And then to share them, you can just hit share campaign. We integrate with a bunch of email platforms. So hopefully yours is here. And you just grab the snippet you want. Like in this case, I'm doing Apollo. And then you would just go into the Apollo sequence you have and paste this where you want the video to appear. And then if you preview for a contact, like this is Adam Robinson, you can see that we're seeing the video for our B2B. And if we were to select a different contact who's also on our list, which, come on, like for example, I could do KD, then we see that this is now the finally.com website. So really easy way to create personalized videos at scale. And I think, if you're an SEO agency and you're going to be like talking about how you could help them increase traffic, it's just so visual. So I hope this sparks some ideas and you find some new customers. All right, cheers. Happy recording.